Hey guys, it's Cori and Sam from Stay. As you can see behind us, we have our Christmas tree up and we are about to decorate the rest of our downstairs for Christmas.
We're Cori and Sam from Stay, and we're a modern home decor brand that helps inspire you to love where you stay. We share a ton of Christmas inspo and styling tips over on our Instagram and TikTok, so make sure that you're following us over there. And then also make sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any videos that we post.
Okay, so today we're going to finally decorate all of our downstairs.
Yay!
So we put up our Christmas tree, I think a couple days before Thanksgiving, because we absolutely love the smell of a real Christmas tree and we were dying to flock ours. So we have a DIY recipe on our blog right now and we're gonna be uploading a video in the next couple days. So if you've been waiting to see a full video of how to do that, that is coming. Over the last couple of days, we've went to a ton of different stores trying to find other little knickknacks, like little houses to create a little village, the little trees. And how many stores did we go to yesterday?
5, I think. We went to, gosh, what was the first one? Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, At Home, West Elm, and Target. So we thought we would just go to one store, maybe find a couple things, and then go to the next one. Hobby Lobby was completely empty. All of their, I mean, it's a huge store. If you have one near you, it is like bigger than Walmart, or not bigger than Walmart. It's pretty big for a decor store. And they had one aisle left and it was just the wrapping paper stuff.
It literally looked like when all the toilet paper disappeared at the beginning of the year, it looked exactly like that, but all the Christmas decor.
And the manager said that everything sold out 2 weekends ago. So the weekend before Thanksgiving, I guess it was, that everything sold out. And then we went to Home Goods, same thing. They just had a couple things, which we got like some snow globes. We'll show you, we actually really like them. And then we went to West Elm. They didn't really have anything. I forgot, we got pillows, not even for here, for this room. And then we went to At Home, same thing. They're just as big, if not bigger than, they're bigger than Hobby Lobby for sure. And they didn't have anything left at all. And I went there 2 weeks ago and they were fully stocked. So then we're like, well, let's just go to, we went to Walmart next, sorry. Walmart had a couple things, but I knew Target would not let us down and it didn't. And we went there and they had a lot of stuff in stock. So if you have a Target near you and you are kind of a last minute shopper, or if you're looking for just Christmas decor for next year, or even just to style your space with, definitely head there because they have a ton of stuff in stock in the stores. So we have a lot of stuff that we're gonna use to decorate from last year and then the things we got yesterday. And so we're gonna decorate our mantle and our entryway and then our media cabinet and just get this room finished. And then we've got a couple other rooms we're gonna decorate too.
Cool, let's get started.
So this is the first space we're gonna start decorating. This is our mantle. Right now, we just cycle through some of our large wall art pieces and then we have some vases with pampas grass in it and some smaller vases over here with our Vitruvi diffuser. And I think the idea that we are going with is, which we did last year, is use the flocked garland and we're gonna put it on throughout and let it hang over the sides of it. And then we're gonna start staggering some decor pieces that we got. We don't have like an exact plan. I think we're gonna figure it out as we go just because we bought quite a few things and we're gonna see what fits there, and then whatever we don't want, we'll return it. But we're gonna start at least with the garland. I think that's gonna make it feel full, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's get started. So you would have just seen the time lapse of us putting all this together. It came together really, really fast. Most of the items that we got are from either Target or Walmart, which is really funny. I think almost everything's from Target. Luckily, we got all of this stuff as soon as they put the Christmas stuff out. Actually Halloween, I think we went, and the day after Halloween, and we snagged a few things, and I'm so glad we did because everything sold out so fast. So these little houses up here are the cutest things. They were in the dollar section up front and they came in like a pack. I think these two came together and they were $5, and then these came with a couple of different houses that we didn't use, and those were $5 too. These have like a little thing for like a light. You just put like a battery in it. And that was up front in the dollar section. And then these two were in the decor section, and I just love the color. It's like this like really pretty like brassy gold. And then we just added lights around the garland to make it feel very warm. And even some of the like flockness came off, and it almost looks like snow, so I kind of want to keep it. And these two trees are from Walmart. I think they were $10 or $15 each, and I love them. Like this white one is like this like matte, really pretty white color. And then this is just like a pretty wood tone. Walmart had a couple other things, but they were pretty wiped out of stuff too. And then we also got these candlesticks from Target, and I think they came as a set. Can't remember how much they were. I think they were like maybe $15 or $20. But I feel like we added a lot of stuff, but not overwhelming. Like I saved a bunch of inspo photos from Pinterest, and a lot of them were like full, but not overwhelmingly full. So that's the kind of look we were going for. And I think adding the flocked and the lights, and then we're gonna add some like twinkle lights on it, and I think it's gonna look really good. So we both are in love with just how this turned out. It's just very simple, boho, still neutral, but just adding just different textures to contrast the mantle. So now we're gonna decorate our media cabinet. We got this from Walker Edison, but I believe Target has it on their website too. So I'll put a link below so you guys can order this, because this was like $300, and it looks like it's from West Elm. It's got like gold knobs on it, 3 drawers, and then this has 2 sections on the inside of it. And it was really easy to put together, and we've had it since we basically moved in. So we've had it for like 2 years, and it's amazing. We love the color and everything. So now we're gonna decorate this. We're thinking about putting some garland on top and then filling this out a little bit more than we did the mantle with all the little trees that we have. So we're gonna get started. So we finished decorating. Love how everything turned out. This year I feel like we added in some more greenery than we did last year. I think last year we did all neutrals, but Target has so many cute stuff in their dollar section up front, which is where we got these houses, and they have, which we didn't get batteries, but they have these little lights on the inside. So it's almost like a little village, and they have them in all different sizes, and they were $5 for I think a pack. And then all the trees that you see on here, we got from Target as well, and these were all in the dollar section. So we just added these like little miniature ones, those were $1. And then just like, you know, did like different heights and stuff. And we did the 2 houses to kind of add like a softer look to the greenery. And then we added the flocked garland on here too. We, last night when we flocked everything, we measured it out and we wanted it to hang over a little bit. Once we added on the garland, we realized it was still a little dark, so we added some twinkle lights on around them, and I feel like it really lightens up the space. And then over here we've got this snow globe from, I'll flip it so you guys can see. We got it from TJ Maxx, or Home Goods, TJ Maxx Home Goods. And they had a bunch, they didn't really have much Christmas stuff, but they had a lot of these snow globes, which I think would be a really good gift idea to somebody. They have them in all different types. We had another one, which I could show you, will probably be somewhere in our space. I think it was like $15 for that. And then we got these trees from Target. So just heighten them up. I think the snow globe really adds like just a fun feel. And I think this also has a light in it too. We just have to add a battery. So that's how it looks. So this is our entryway, and we are going to change out a couple things. So we made this entryway table when we first moved in, and we found a really pretty white one on Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. I think it's like from Overstock, but it's sold out, which is sad, but it was on this like crazy sale. And the one that we liked at West Elm was much more expensive and was not in stock. So we're gonna swap that out with this, and then we're gonna change a couple things on here, add some like Christmas decor. We're gonna keep these baskets because as you see, we stuff all of our shoes in there. And then we'll keep this little rug, and then we're gonna add a bigger rug around it to lighten up this awkward like hardwood space that's here. It's like a weird break between that and the carpet. So we're gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna add garland around the mirror. So it's gonna be very Christmassy, and it's gonna look really good. So we just finished decorating, and I'm sure as you can see, it looks totally different. Sam and I were saying it almost reminds me of like a beach house, like a beach bungalow. It's very like, I just feel like it makes the space feel so much brighter. This thing was the best buy. If I can find it again online, I will link it below because it was like 160 bucks. Has drawers in it too, which our other, that one won't open. Technical difficulties. This one does, but they like close really softly, and it's just, now we have like storage that we can like, you know, use to put stuff in. And then we decided all this stuff on here, the trees and the little houses are from Target, and then this is from Home Goods, and then this garland is from Hobby Lobby. And we just decided to go once again with some greenery to help tie in this. And plus, since this is so white, having too many white things would just kind of blend, and then the walls are white too. So I feel like it contrasts really well. And the garland, I feel like just adds that like softness and that like texture, and just that like, you know, other than like green and white, we wanted to add in some other colors. So, and then we added the garland around the mirror, and we have to get another hook because it's sticking out a little bit. But the goal is to have it like just swooping around it and like draping on the bottom. And then we've got obviously the rugs and the baskets, which we love. We weren't sure about this rug. We were gonna put it up here, but our door, it wouldn't open all the way. And we just stuck it underneath, and I feel like it looks really good. So I think we might keep it there. We had this vase with some pampas grass in it to just break off the awkward space where the vent is. And then it goes into the other side of the entryway. And then of course our Vitruvi diffuser. It is the white stone. Right now it's sold out, but I'm pretty sure they're going to restock, and we have a 20% coupon that I will put the code in the link below. They have some of the most beautiful diffusers, and they're stone, and they just look like a terracotta base, and they have them in black, that color, a blush color, and like a terracotta, which is like a almost like an orangish color, and like orange brown. And then we're gonna put in the Grove blend, which is like the Christmas scent, and we'll have that going. And this is, as soon as you walk in, you'll see that. I'll put the link to everything below of what I can link. And yeah, we're gonna move on to the next room. We're just trying to go little bit by little bit and bring you guys along for the process.
All right guys, well thank you so much for watching the video. If you've made it to this point, make sure to hit the like button. It'll tell Instagram to send this to other people who love Christmas home decor. And we just want to say thank you for hanging out for the last 15 or 20 minutes, however long this video is. Just thanks for being a part of it. And we will be posting more videos of other rooms that we're gonna add Christmas decor in probably over the next week. So make sure to check back. So make sure that you're subscribed. And for anything that's in between, make sure to follow us on TikTok and Instagram for all of the daily things that we do. So again, thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.
See ya.